Welcome to Digital Cash Empire. Write less, earn more. With AI, you don't need to be a pro writer to make money with freelance writing. With the power of AI, you can write faster, better, and get paid more, even if English isn't your first language. Here's your step-by-step system. Step 1. Pick a profitable writing niche. Start by choosing a profitable niche. Email marketing, SEO blog posts, website copy, and product descriptions are in high demand. Pick one that matches your interest or skill set. Step 2. Use AI to write faster. Now use ChatGPT or Copy.ai to help you write. Don't just copy and paste. Treat it like your assistant. Give it a prompt like, write a friendly email about a 20% holiday discount. Then edit and personalize. Step 3. Create a portfolio fast. You need samples. Use AI to create 3 to 5 pieces in your niche, like blog intros, landing pages, or sales emails. Save them in Google Docs, or use Canva to design a clean PDF portfolio. Step 4. Find clients with no experience. Start pitching. Use sites like Upwork, Contra, or send cold emails using templates you generate in ChatGPT. Focus on new businesses. They need fast, affordable help. Step 5. Deliver faster. Charge more. Use AI to complete work 2-3x faster. Then use that time to take more clients or raise your rates. Always add your human touch. It's what makes you stand out. Step 6. Scale to a writing business. Once you've got a few clients, systematize your delivery with tools like Notion or Trello. Use templates, create packages, and turn freelance writing into a real income stream. You're now an AI-powered copywriter. You don't need to write from scratch. You just need to know how to guide the AI. Use these steps to earn your first $500 or $1,000 a month, and scale from there. Subscribe for more AI income systems. Follow Digital Cash Empire for more tutorials like this.